Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Bea B. So in today's video, as you can see on the title, I will be unboxing my Ipsy Glam Bag X. So if you're interested, then just keep on watching. So if you're not familiar with Ipsy, Ipsy is a monthly subscription box with $12 and $25. Glam Bag X is their quarterly bag. You can upgrade your Glam Bag or your Glam Bag Plus. My Glam Bag Plus has been upgraded to this one. So this is their first Glam Bag X. And this quarter, they are in collaboration with Patrick Ta. This is the box. This cost for $55 with 8 full-size products. So I have 3 choices right here. So this is how it looks like. So we have a newspaper right here instead of the product information. Maybe they're talking about the product information too. So their Glam Bag X is in collaboration with makeup artists, celebrities, if I'm not mistaken. And they have makeup tips from Patrick Ta right here on every products that they include on this quarter. As I was saying earlier, I got 3 personal choices. So the first that I've got is this one, the Babe Blush Essential Serum. This serum is packed with nutrients to enhance the length and volume of your natural lashes. It can be used on your brows to make them look fuller too. So this one cost for $120 with 4 ml of products. And this one, they say 6-month supply, but the expiration after opening is 12 months. Second choice is, of course, brushes. So this one is from, I don't know if it's Farah or Farah, Rendezvous Brush Set. This Pro Quality Duo makes contouring and highlighting a piece of cake. Use Chisel Contour 610F to apply and blend your contour flawlessly. Use Fluffy Highlight 628F to dust and build up your highlight. The tapered tip gives you expert control. This shape, I don't have any brush that looks like this. Interesting. And then this one, I love this kinds of brushes, the tapered one. Not the softest brush, but the quality is still good. So let's see. This duo cost for $30. So for the last choice that I made is the Gold Faden MD, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Vital Boost Even Skin Tone Daily Moisturizer. This multitasker does way more than just moisturize. It uses gooseberry extract, vitamin D, red tea extract, and grapefruit oil to brighten dark marks and spots, refine your skin texture, defend from free radical damage, and give your skin a soft, dewy glow. So this one cost for $75 and it weighs for 60 ml, made in USA and 12 months after product opening expiration. So I chose this one because I'm looking for a moisturizer that will be my skin's best friend. And then I like that they're claiming it's not only a moisturizer, but it also helps with the texture and the dark spots. So let's see. So for the next item, since this one is in collaboration with Patrick Ta, I have here Major Brow Shaping Wax in Clear and Major Brow Dual-Ended Brow Brush. This dual-ended brush and multitasking wax defines shapes, sets, and conditions. Thank you to olive oil and glycerin, your brow hairs for a full feathered look. This clear shade works with all brow colors from blonde to black. So I've been interested in feathered brows, but not really those spiky ones. I just like it to look more natural. It's either I'll get this one or the blush, but they gave me this one. I think I'll be more excited if I get the blush, because I've been hearing a lot of good things about the blush. But I'm happy that I get this one since I don't have and I don't tried a brow soap or a shaping wax ever. So, I'm happy that I get this one instead of the blush because I have a lot of blush. And my cheeks is just too, so. Oh, by the way, the wax and the brush cost for $40. This one is made in the USA, 12 months product after opening expiration, and 5 grams of product. Next, we have Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered Eyeshadow Palette. This rose-inspired eyeshadow palette with 18 trendy shades in 4 different finishes can be used to create pro-level looks that are soft and romantic or bold and glam eye. 12 months after opening expiration, weighs for 16.6 grams. This one cost for $65. Made in Italy. Next, we got from Pat McGrath. So this one is Fetish Eyes Mascara in Extreme Black. This flexible, buildable mascara delivers a range of long-lasting lash looks from soft and fluttery to bold and thick, making it the ultimate pro artist secret for a customizable lashes with zero clumps or flakes. So this one is good for 6 months. 8 ml of products, and this one cost for $30. Next, I've got About Face Paint It Lip Color in the shade So Long Summer. Ultra pigmented, long-lasting, and lightweight. This minty matte formula is the stuff liquid lipstick dreams are made of, and the neutral rose shade is total perfection. This one cost for $22 and weighs for 4.5 ml. Made in Italy. 18 months of product after opening expiration. Ooh, the packaging is cute. It looks like a from a Korean brand. So, I'm not really familiar with About Face. Let's see how this one will work. And for the last item, I've got Complex Culture Sonic T-Bar Facial Massager. Use this Sonic Power T-Bar tool to give yourself the daily luxury of an at-home facial massage to temporarily relieve tension and smooth skin. It helps reduce puffiness, relax facial muscles, and tone and sculpt your features. So this one is made in China and vegan, cruelty-free. This one cost for $58. I feel like this one is for the puffiness of the eyes. I'm not really sure how this one works. And I think this one is to massage your face. So, let's see how this one will work. This is interesting. So, overall, total of all the products that I've got is $440. I just got this for $55, so almost 8 times if I'm not mistaken. And overall, all the products are interesting. It's almost complete. I have tools, I have skincare, I have for the eyes, I have for the lips. I don't have complexion products, but overall, I'm happy with all I've got. So for the first Glam Bag X, it's not really bad. I'm happy with all the products that I've got, but I'm not really sure if I will continue to get it. Let's see if the next Glam Bag X would be this interesting, maybe. But if not, of course I won't. I know that even though I get times 8 or even though times 10 or times 20 of the price that I paid and it's not usable, I won't use it. It's a total waste of money. So, but yeah, if you like unboxing videos, I have my playlist on the description down below. And I hope you like this kinds of video. If you do, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what are the most exciting products that I've got. Or if you have Glam Bag X, what are the most interesting and exciting products that you receive. Of course, if you're new here, and if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you posted on my upcoming videos. This is me, Bea, signing off, reminding you to be a believer of your own beauty and another thing drop. And be a blessing to everybody. See you on my next video. Bye! Oh, shout out to Sis Poca for my cute top.